Hello, this is a video about how to use the videos. So here I am on the portal and I'm looking at today's homework, well, which is the time I've recorded this, but this might not be today in any case. And we have quiz corrections. So what you do is you click on that link and it brings you here. And so this is everything about the quiz corrections, right? So about the quiz. So first of all, you have the quiz, so you can click on that and it'll show you a blank copy of the quiz, and you can print that out if you like, or you could just do your work on a separate sheet of paper, but why not print it out? Okay, so you print it out and you're going to do your work here. Alright, so any question that you got wrong, or where I asked you to look at the video, have a look at the video. Okay, so to do that, I'm just going to go back to where I was. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to, let's say for question, I don't know, let's say I made a mistake on question 1. Okay, so we look at the video.
Question number 1, A to H, we have negative 1
say,
plus 7.
Hold on,
Okay, so the signs are different, they're disagreeable.
Let's say I made a mistake on question 1H, okay? And so I don't want to sit through all of this. So what you can do is you can just zoom right through until it gets you to the right spot. Okay, and there we are. And then it explains it. So you don't have to watch the whole video, just watch the part that you really need to watch.
Negative 6, the two negatives are negative 9 minus negative 6, and they're all negative, so it's negative 8. Okay, here is negative 9 minus negative 6. Alright, signs beside it.
Alright, so you watch the explanation, and then you close the explanation, and then go and do your, go and actually work out the problem on your own. Okay, just watching the video is not enough. You have to physically answer the question correctly on your own. Okay, without the video running in the background, without looking at the answer. Okay, that's extremely important. So this has a couple of steps. All right, so step 1, look at the video. Step 2, you on your own answer the question. Okay, so that's really 2 steps. Step 3, if you check to make sure you've done it correctly, and if you haven't, watch the video again, okay? And remember, you don't have to go through the whole video. You can always just zoom right through. So if you needed to just look at question K, you would just zoom right through to question K and say, okay, then I'm just going to watch this part of the video, okay? And if often when I'm recording these videos, I have 5 minutes to record them, so often I'm talking very fast. If you miss something, just go back and watch it again. You can watch a certain part as many times as you like, okay? So and often I go very quickly. But I'm also assuming that you know that you can pause the video anytime you like. Okay, so you're watching something and it's going too fast, just watch it until you get to a point.
And with a negative sitting in front of it, so that's going to be negative 81. Alright, order of operations for question K. We have to do what's inside the brackets first.
Okay, we have to do what's inside the brackets. What does he mean by that? Then you can think about it and you think, oh, okay, I understand what he means. Then you can go on, right? Or if you didn't get it, you can go back and listen to it again. Okay? So please use the timeliney thing, but otherwise it goes really fast. Okay, don't be shocked by how quickly it goes. Okay, so you can always pause it. You can always go back and watch again. All right, then make sure you answer these on your own. Okay, so that's basically it. So it's really a 3-step process. Look at the question. Look at the video. I mean, then close the video, close your computer, turn it around. Go into a different room, whatever, but you, either on your blank quiz or on a new piece of paper, work out the question on your own, getting it correct, okay? And then you can go back to the question and you just go to where the answer is, okay? You don't have to rewatch the whole video, just drag it up to where the answer is and just check to see that your answer is right, okay? All right, have a good day.